Stewart's theorem in geometry. On triangle ABC. If we draw a line from vertex A to point D on the opposite side BC, such line AD is called cVN. In geometry, Stewart's theorem provides a relation between the lengths of the sides and the length of a cVN in a triangle. The formal representation of Stewart's theorem is given on this slide. Stewart's theorem can also be written as another way, which invites mnemonic memorization. A man and his dad. Put a bomb in the sink. The theorem is named after the Scottish mathematician Matthew Stewart, who published the theorem in 1746. We can prove Stewart's theorem using the law of cosines. By applying the law of cosines on triangle ADB at angle ADB, we get equation 1. Similarly, by applying the law of cosines on triangle ADC at angle ADC, we get equation 2. Since angle ADB and angle ADC sum to 180 degrees, cosine ADB equals to negative cosine ADC. Combining equations 1 and 2, we get equation 3. Equation 3 can be simplified into equation 4. Given that m plus n equals a, we can convert equation 4 to equation 5, which is exactly the Stewart's theorem. Next, let's look at a problem from 2022 Canada Grade 12 Euclid Math Contest. Please pause the video and read the problem. In this problem, it is given that the length of BC is 2 and the length of CD is 1. Since the ratio between AC and AD is 3/4, we let AC be 3t and AD be 4t, where t is a real number greater than 0. We also denote AB as x. Since this problem involves side lengths and cVN in a triangle, we can apply the Stewart's theorem to get equation 1. By applying the law of cosines on triangle ACD at angle ACD, we get equation 2. After substituting the value of cosine ACD into equation 2 and simplifying it, we get quadratic equation 3. By factoring equation 3, we get two solutions. Since t is greater than 0, only the positive solution 5/7 is valid. By substituting the value of t into Stewart's equation 1, we can get the value of x, 13/7, which is the length of AB. In summary, Stewart's theorem can be used to solve geometry problems where a cVN exists in a triangle, and the side lengths of the triangle are given or can be found. If you do not remember the Stewart's formula, you can derive it by applying the law of cosines on the two triangles separated by the cVN. If you are interested in learning more math theorems or techniques, please visit our YouTube channel Maths in Minutes. If you like the video, please press the buttons of subscribe, like, share, and feel free to comment.